Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Fourth. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Fourth has broken out another falling wedge pattern. This was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my last video. You can see that first Fourth broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a short pump and the price and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. And now recently we have broken out this next falling wedge pattern as well. And right now Fourth is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $3.30. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Fourth that I shared a few days ago on 4th of October 2024 with my members, and so far this signal has produced more than 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Fourth that I shared few days ago on 4th of October 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Fourth completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line of Fourth started a very massive pump. You can see that it moved beyond the sell target line. This was almost or more than 50% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Fourth. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or even for the past several months since after the month of March 2024, the price line of Fourth was moving inside this long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got few rejections here. We had a bounce here, almost had another rejection here, bounce, 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 rejection, bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance, retested the previous resistance of this wedge as support and geared up. But still, you can see that for the past several days, it is not able to break out this resistance of $3.30. You can see that previously it had been breaking at the resistance here. And now again, for the past several days or even for the past several weeks, it is working at a strong resistance. If Fourth will be able to break it out, then an imminent move can be possible up to the next long-term resistance of $4.50. That was previously breaking at the resistance here for several days. And before that, this $4.50 had been previously breaking as a resistance here as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this is the $4.50 resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here back in the month of January 2022. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance. By the way, here we have this $4.50 resistance, and support. Now, if we take a look at the technical and long-term target for the breakout, first let me show you the target for the breakout from the smaller falling wedge pattern. That target can be here at the top of the wedge at $9. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here for a few weeks and almost as support here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Fourth. And the final target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of this wedge, somewhere between $27 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.